What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. When I tell y'all today gave me a headache, that might be a little bit of an understatement. Today started off as a huge problem for me. I was having a lot of technical difficulties. I was having some issues with my NinjaTrader. Thank God NinjaTrader support is so freaking amazing because they got on a call with me. They got things fixed. We were good to go. But by that point, I was a little out of sorts and a little frustrated. So I got to thinking to myself, I've talked to a lot of my students about once you are ready to trade live, you should always start with the MES, especially since we have that opportunity. What I did today, since I was feeling a little out of sorts and a little frustrated, I decided to trade the MES. The MES is a great start out, and guys, there is no difference between the MES and the ES. Check this out. Watch this and you'll see. Here's the MES daily chart. Check this out. Look at the ES daily chart. Do you see a difference? I don't. This is the 377 MES. This is the 1597 ES. Besides the fact that this is going to have a couple of more bars, right? Look at how these trend. It's hung out here, pulled back, came back, pulled back, and we can see this exact thing is happening right in here. So they run almost identical. So this is when I tell you that if you are just getting started, you don't have to start with the Emini S&P. You can start with the MES, get your bearings, feel more comfortable, and then move over to the ES. Bam, bam, no difference. They look exactly the same. There are going to be a couple of more bars being created on the MES because they're smaller charts, but really they flow exactly the same. So you don't have to be scared and think that you're trading a completely different instrument when you trade the MES and then move to the ES. One of the things also with trading the MES is I had to use a disciplined mind with myself, because part of me wanted to say, oh, it's a much smaller risk, I'll just let it XYZ, and that's really not the way to think. I have to trade it the exact same way that I would trade the ES. Because of that, I ended up with about the same amount of points that I would have gotten trading the ES, but it is a much different price scale on that. So it did help me stay disciplined. I felt myself saying, maybe I'll just take one more and it's not a big deal. It's only a $5 risk. And then I had to say, Lindsay, not the proper way to think. Had to step back and correct myself. So I was really done in about 30 minutes of trading. I did watch it for about another 30, 45. And then I started getting just really, my mind wasn't in it. I knew I had a call coming up. My kids came in, yada, yada, yada. I could come up with every excuse in the book. Basically, I just didn't give it the attention it deserved at that time. And it was time to wrap it up. If you got questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, enjoy the show. Oh my God. I've had a pretty stressful morning. So I thought I would just check out the MES today. Thought, since today's been just absolutely insane for me, maybe I should take a little bit of a break. So let's look at the MES. I do want to show you something here though. Here's the MES daily chart. Check this out. Look at the ES daily chart. Do you see a difference? I don't. And we'll go back to the MES. They look almost identical. So you can trade one and trade the other just as easily. Daily chart. What do we see? We see those MACDs coming for me. Okay, this is what happened. It pulled up. It gave the retracement divergence and snapback ability. Now it's right back into that space. That could still hold. The MACDs are showing down, but that's going to happen as it's pulling back. So I guess we just got to be patient and see. From that, it looks like it should go up. From here, with the struggle it's had to go up in the MACDs, it looks like it should be going down. I had such a stressful morning that I'm really having a hard time just settling into it. Okay. Woo, that went back fast. Did I move my risk up too quick? A little bit, but that's okay. I put it up above the 2-point mark. Ooh, I've been a little quick on the draw. So let's see if we can be prepared for one more here. Are we ready? I think we're ready. It's about to drop like a rock here. Got it right behind here, which if it decides to pop up here, it will come back and get me, but we shall see. Stay where you're supposed to be. Oh, there we go. Okay. Come back in and give me a chance. Let's do a little dance. Woo! I love the way the strength this is showing down, y'all. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. That was a toughie. Let's see how that played out. Okay, so this is on the MES, obviously, but it's 875. So, okay, I I don't even know what I'm waiting for anymore. There's so many distractions. If I tried anything now, it would literally just be because I wanted to make something happen. So. Okay, today was tough. It wasn't tough to trade. It was tough mentally for me because I had so many things going on and the morning was just like crap for me. It was just hard to stay focused and hard to stay concentrated and try not to push myself too hard. So on that note, it's already almost 6 p.m. while I'm finishing up this video. So this isn't going to be out for a while today, but I hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. I do plan on trading some tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. And we're just going to go ahead and wrap this up. Not a lot to say. Love you all. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I'm so unbelievably grateful that you are here with me. So guys, as always, you know, I love you being here with me, and I'm looking forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.